Namaskar, Khushro Bidya. Myself, JVN Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is male hormones. Male sex hormones. Testes secrete male sex hormones which are collectively called androgens. Androgens secreted by testes are testosterone, dihydrotestosterone, androstenedione. Among these three androgens, testosterone is secreted in large quantity. However, dihydrotestosterone is more active. Female sex hormone, namely estrogen and progesterone, are also found in testes. Androgens are secreted in large quantity by testes and in small quantity by adrenal cortex. In testes, androgen are secreted by interstitial cell of Leydig, which form 20% of mass of adult testes. Leydig cells are numerous in newborn male baby and in adult male, but in childhood those cells are scanty or non-existing. So the secretion of androgen occurs in newborn babies and after puberty. Adrenal cortex. Androgen secreted by zona reticularis of adrenal cortex are testosterone, androstenedione, and dihydroepiandrosterone. Synthesis. Androgens are steroid hormones synthesized from cholesterol. Androgens are also synthesized directly from acetate. Metabolism. In many target tissue, testosterone are converted into dihydrotestosterone, which is more active androgen. In some of the tissue, such as adipose tissue, hypothalamus, and liver, testosterone is converted into estradiol. Major portion of testosterone degraded in liver. It is converted into inactive form androsterone and dihydroepiandrosterone. Functions of testosterone. In general, testosterone is responsible for the distinguishing character of masculine body. It also plays important role in fetal life. Function of testosterone fetal life. Testosterone performs three functions in fetus. First, sex determination in fetus, development of accessory sex organ, and last one is descent of testes. Sex differentiation in fetus. Testosterone is responsible for sex differentiation of fetus. Fetus has two genital ducts. First, Mullerian duct, which give rise to female accessory sex organs such as vagina, uterus, fallopian tube, and Wolffian duct, which gives rise to male accessory sex organs such as epididymis, vas deferens, and seminal vesicle. If testosterone secreted from genital ridges of fetus at about 7th week of intrauterine life, the Mullerian duct system disappears and a male sex organ develops from Wolffian duct. In the absence of testosterone, Wolffian duct regresses and female sex organ develop from Mullerian duct. Development of accessory sex organs and external genitalia. Testosterone is also essential for growth of external genitals, that is penis, scrotum, and other accessory sex organs, namely genital duct, seminal vesicle, and prostate. Descent of testis. Descent of testis is the process by which testis enter scrotum from abdominal cavity. Initially, testes are developed in abdominal cavity and are later pushed down into the scrotum through inguinal canal just before birth. The process by which testes enter the scrotum is called descent of testis. Testosterone is necessary for descent of testis. Cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism is congenital disorder characterized by failure of one or both of the testes to descend from abdominal into scrotum. In such cases, the testes are undescendant testes. Male with untreated testes are prone for testicular cancer. Function of testosterone in adult life. Testosterone has two important functions in adult. First, effect on sex organs. Second, effect on secondary sexual characters. Regulation of testosterone secretion in fetus. During fetal life, the testosterone secretion from fetus is stimulated by human chorionic gonadotropin, which has the properties similar to those of luteinizing hormone. Human chronic gonadotropins stimulate the development of Leydig cell in fetal testes and promote testosterone secretion. In adult, luteinizing hormone or interstitial cell stimulating hormone ICSH stimulate the Leydig cell, and the quantity of testosterone secreted is directly proportional to the amount of LH available. Secretion of luteinizing hormone from anterior pituitary gland is stimulated by luteinizing hormone releasing hormone from hypothalamus. Feedback control. Testosterone regulates its own secretion by negative feedback mechanism. It acts on hypothalamus and inhibits the secretion of LHRH. When LHRH secretion is inhibited, LH is not released from anterior pituitary, resulting in stoppage of testosterone secretion from testes. On the other hand, when testosterone production is low, lack of inhibition of hypothalamus lead to secretion of testosterone through LHRH and LH. So in this diagram, you can see feedback inhibition. LHRH release is stimulate anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary release ICSH, which is stimulate testis to release testosterone. When testosterone quantity is high, then it negatively inhibit ICSH as well as LHRH. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.